see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and finally talk about this live cop. It is a little bit on the later side. Low-key, I did have work today, so I couldn't really sit in front of the camera how I honestly would have loved to, but it is what it is. I'm still gonna bring you guys this live cop reaction. I did try to crop it down as much as I could just to make it more digestible for you guys. I am gonna try to do a live cop where I sit in my car at work. I'll try to figure that out down the line, but if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description. That way you are able to enter in this Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. This is gonna end in about 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks, something like that. After that, I'm gonna bring you guys a fire ass giveaway. I did also want to announce that once I reach 20K subscribers, I'm gonna bring you guys a bigger giveaway, whether it's a box logo, a pair of sneakers, you decide. I'm probably just gonna give away 250 bucks in the form of a gift. Once we get to 20,000 subscribers, we can start talking about that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So boom, just like that, we're gonna hop on the website this morning. Obviously, this is a reaction, my bad. This process took like 30 seconds. I'm thinking like, yo, I'm good, bro. Like I hopped in smooth, easy. We about to get straight to it. I had the little bookmark tab with the hoodies on it. Click that. I go straight to the hoodie that I wanted. I wasted no time. It started like glitching out. Literally, it was in and out for like 30 more seconds. And I'm like, bro, what is going on? Like I was literally stressing. It kept doing this shit. And I'm like, bro, at this point, I'm gonna take the L on the hoodie. So I start panicking, and then I finally get through at 11:01. I click the extra large. It's in my car. I'm like, bro, let's get it. Go ahead, check out. And that shit took mad long. I'm like, all right, I see that it loaded on the top, so I start putting all my information in. And as you can see right here, I'm taking my precaution. It did actually load my name, address, and everything like that. I clicked the process button, and it was literally looping me back. It was not letting me process. I don't know what was going on this morning, but it just didn't let me check out. So I'm like, yo, what the fuck? It just sent me back from the main page. At this point, it's 11:04, and I think I still have the hoodie in my cart. So I'm like, yo, I'm gonna try once again. Hopefully we get through. Literally, it says sold out, bro. I'm sick. At that point, I'm like, yo, what is going on? We don't even have my size no more. So it's like, bro, I'm sick. I'm not even gonna waste any more time on that. It's 11:05, and I'm like, yo, let me just start going for some of the, what the fuck is this? Timed out while waiting on what? I don't know what that said. I add these little dice to my cart, and I'm like, yo, that's the second item that I really wanted. I also did really want the Bowery skate deck, so I add both of those items to my cart. At least I tried to, and I'm going back to the BOGOs to see if they come back, and honestly, they just were not coming back. Like it was over. It was over, bro. I added the skate deck. I clicked the checkout button, but I'm still trying to add the dice as well. I was just trying to make sure that I had the checkout page opened. At that point, I believe that they actually did add, and I go ahead and check out. I click everything, and I'm trying to fill out all my information. My name and address, like I said before, was saved from the previous season, so that was pretty good actually. I start checking out on that one, and I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to get the dice and the thing, and boom, right there we got the checkout page. So my first checkout is good. We got the Bowery skate deck, and we got the aluminum dice, which are two of the better pieces that I really did want. Now I'm just scrolling through the shirts, seeing what I'm gonna end up picking up at the end of the day. I go ahead and I get the wind tee in that pale aqua. That one's actually hard. I just like it mainly because of that color. We don't normally see that color on Supreme. I try to get this water pistol tee in the pink color. That one was hard. I also did really love the Love hooded sweatshirt. I even like this one more than the box logo, if I'm being completely honest. I feel like that hoodie with the court purple Jordan 1s, then I add the HNIC to my cart, and boom, I'm about to go ahead and get a little fat cart. At least that's what I'm thinking in my mind. I'm like, yo, we about to cook up on this fat cart today. I add all my information, and just like that, I'm processing my last order. I did end up getting the water pistol in the navy color, the UNIC. I got the skate deck, I got the dice, I got the wind tee, and I got the Love hooded sweatshirt. I still feel like I'm missing something. That's pretty much everything that I ended up picking up this week. I didn't really go balls to the wall like I normally do with Supreme. What I realized afterhand is the fact that when I normally buy Supreme on week 1, I don't really pick up a hoodie. I normally just pick up tees, accessories, little bags here and there. I wasn't really feeling the neck pouches, so I'm like, yo, that's a dub, you feel me? Like, I'm not even about to do that. So I ended up picking something that I really liked, and I'm pretty satisfied with what what I got, to be honest. I only didn't get the Cause Box logo, but I feel like my time will come. If I ever do end up wanting to buy it, I'll probably just bite the bullet and end up paying resale for it. It's all good, you know what I mean? We'll be alright. So since we got a little bit of extra time on this video, I decided to go ahead and give you guys some post notification shout outs. I feel like this is a little segment that I'm gonna have on my videos at the end of each video that I use the green screen on, at least, or at least most of them, where I'm gonna give you guys shout outs for coming through and showing some love. Shout out to the homie Rob. We got some wheels who give a shit, dead at. Yo, really, who cares about the wheels, bro? The homie Golden Child always showing love to the channel. Much love to you. The homie Bryce, who always comes through and shows some love as well. I really hope that each and every one of you guys did cook up. I'm gonna go ahead and just slide down. We got the homie Xavier. We got Kobe1 Kenobi. We got Bryce again. Gabriel, the homie Gabriel. Shout out to you, bro. I really hope you were able to cook as well. The homie Max K. We got a bunch of people who actually showed love on the last video. If you want to see your name pop up on one of the next videos that I do post, go ahead and show some love in the comments. Slap a like on this video, man. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. I would pull up the TNF shoulder bag, but it is green and low-key it would be see-through if I put it right here, but you can go ahead and enter that giveaway at the top of the description. Make sure you waste no time on that because, hey, it's free. Everybody loves free stuff. You can go ahead and get a free shoulder bag. All you got to do is show some love, man. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.